I'm Coach Ariel Starbert. I'm a holistic health and fitness coach. When you do a lot of strenuous fitness, it's very important to have optimized post-recovery tools that you use religiously. Plenty of sleep, electrolytes, water and hydration, massage, acupuncture, infrared sauna, cold plunges or cold showers. These are all things I do. And I know professional athletes do all those things too and more. But one thing you can do at home easily is a salt bath, or for busy people, a salt scrub. And it does matter because it really aids the muscle recovery. And I make my own, and it's very easy, and I want to show you how I do it. It takes no more than 10 minutes, really. I use Himalayan salt, organic compatible baking soda that is aluminum and heavy metal free, organic coconut oil and castor oil, and some essential oils. You can look up each of these things, and they all have medicinal properties. As long as they don't have heavy metals and chemicals, they're all going to help. Right now, I also have some herbs that include lavender and chamomile and a few other ones on shelf, and so I add that. You can also use magnesium salt and or Epsom salt in the mix. Percentages depend on your goals that you want to accomplish with your health and fitness goals. Epsom salt draws energy in. Baking soda is alkaline and pushes energy out. Both have their own purpose. It just depends on your goals. Essential oils are your choice, but the ones I like for relaxation and recovery, for your muscles and skin and lungs, and to boost your energy in general, and to reduce inflammation, are eucalyptus, chamomile, frankincense, tea tree, ginger, sage, and arnica essential oils. But there are lots of other ones that you could use that smell amazing and feel good. Use only organic and non-GMO. Conventional ones, they just don't work the same way or at all, especially if they have synthetic chemicals, glyphosate, and all of that. You're just going to be poisoning yourself if you use conventional ones. So I mix everything in a bowl. I pray over that mix and bless it in the name of Adonai Eloheinu, the Most High, and I place it in a glass container, not plastic, because oil will deteriorate plastic and you're just going to get plastic in your mix. So use glass and not metal. And then once it's in the glass container, I just place it next to my bathtub. And usually within a few 5-7 days, it's all used up. So it doesn't have a chance to go bad. And I meditate in my infrared sauna every day. And then I take a cold shower, as cold as I can make it. And when I do that, I take a small amount in my hand of the salt mix, and I rub the salt all over counterclockwise to withdraw any negative energy out of the energy field. And after I work out, I do the same. I take a cold shower and I use a salt scrub all over, especially the muscles that work the most to draw out negative energy, impurities, and fatigue and inflammation. So I hope that helps. Try and see if you like it. Comment below. Tell me how you feel. I always feel really refreshed after I do it. And it's just not the same when I don't have it. When I run out, sometimes I don't have it for a few days. It's not the same. So yeah, try it, see if you like it. Stay blessed, not stressed.